Kita lanjut kembali ke pembahasan domain 4. Ada coaching. Jadi di sini goal of coaching is to help the team members stay on track, overcome issue, continually improve their skill. Coaching is done at two level, the team and the individual team member. The figure below show how the emphasis switch from coaching the team as a whole at the iteration boundaries to coaching individual members during the iteration. Oke, ini dia tim coaching during iteration planning. Ini individual coaching pause, individual begin, baru tim coaching, gitu kan nih. Kalau yang individual coaching naik, coach helps individual develop agile and problem solving skill. Team coaching pause, oke, ini tim coaching level. Team coaching during the retrospective individual coaching pause. Nah, ini dia coaching the team individual. Team coaching happens more at the iteration boundaries because that's when the team assemble for event like iteration planning, iteration review, and retrospective. These are a great time to make sure that the team's agile practice are working well and help the team embody their agile roles. Any process change that arise from coaching the team should be met between iteration rather than in the middle of an iteration, because the iteration is the team's dedicated period for completing the work in a stable environment. This grid make sure that they are working well and help the team embody their agile roles. Any process change that arise from coaching the team should be met from iteration rather than the middle of iteration, because the iteration is team dedicated period of completing the work in stable environment. While the iteration is in progress, it's good time to provide coaching to individual team members. Typically, a team member will have a problem complaint and ask for coaching or help. The coaching session should be one-on-one confidential meeting in a safe, private environment. During the conversation, it's important to be frank, yet remain positive and respectful. After the meeting, the coach might need to follow up to make sure the issue has been resolved or is at least getting better. Okay, Lisa Atkins outlined the following guideline for one-on-one coaching. Okay, yang pertama itu meet them half step ahead. Don't try to push people directly to the end point. Instead, coach them so that they move toward the end goal and they take the next step from where they are now. For example, let's say your aim, the team members select their own work tasks, but they aren't there yet. Instead of just telling them bluntly that agile team self-select their work, try to get them halfway where there by asking them questions like who can do this one. Guarantee safety, partner with manager, terus create positive regard. Okay, creating collaborative team space. Okay, although agile method promote using co-located teams and creating a collaborative team space, this approach also comes with challenge. Here we will look at some important aspect of team location you should understand for the exam, including some of the challenges involved and ways to address them. All the ideas covered in this section on collaborative team space, collocation, team space, osmotic communication, distributed teams are important agile concepts. You are likely to encounter multiple exam questions that test your understanding of this concept either directly or indirectly. Collocated teams, since agile methods recommend face-to-face interaction as the preferred means of communication, it is no surprise that they also recommend that the teams to be co-located. In other words, that all the team members work together in the same location. It isn't enough to simply locate all the team members in the same city or even on the same floor of the same building. Okay. As we will see, collocating the team has many advantages. However, it isn't always possible. Many agile projects use distributed teams in which the members are geographically dispersed, whether in different buildings, cities, or continents. In this case, the team will try to use digital tools to duplicate the effect of physical collocation as much as possible. This is known as virtual collocation. In this section, we will talk about tools and best practices for both collocated and distributed teams. In other words, for physically and virtually collocated teams. Okay, in this discussion, we will use the term of collocation to refer the teams located in the same physical space, unless otherwise specified. However, for the exam, you may see reference to virtual collocation as well as physical collocation. Also, although the exam usually doesn't test specific number, you might need to know the definition of physical collocation given above. All team members working in the same space within 33 feet, 10 meters of each other, and with no physical barriers between them. Team space. We said that collocated team members need to actually be seated in the same space. This is their team space forum. The common are called for collaboration and information sharing where they conduct their everyday work. Agile team after commander a large open area like a conference room to serve as their team space. In this area where there should be plenty of wall space for whiteboard to be used during collaborative discussion, as well as room to post information related of the project metrics to take full advantage of the benefits of collocation. The team space should be supplied with the following tools and equipment: whiteboard, dashboard, sticky notes, sticky paper, flip chart, round table with screen, laptop, video conference capability, no barriers to face-to-face communication, food, snack, and toys. Okay, first common. Oke, ini last common area itu yang biasa kalau ruang tertutup ya. However, if the private space called cave, itu yang tertutup terbuka, where they can go to make private call, have a one-on-one conversation, or they go short period of time. So if the member having difficulty concentrating in a noisy environment, or she can retreat to a cave, work in quiet isolation for a short period. Tacit knowledge is unwritten information that is collectively by the group, such as how to restart the printer when it came. Okay. Does it work for the small collocated team facilitating maintenance and one the recent agile method recommend limiting team to 12 or people. Okay. Osmotic communication osmotically refer to the useful information that flows between team members who are working in close proximity to each other as they overhear each other conversation. For example, let's say the Bob asked Jim how to restart the build server. To the build server, Mary just about to use that machine and overhear their conversation. As results, you can intervene on the reset and save potential conflict. This ability to pick up on things that would otherwise be missed to and the major benefit of collocating the team, saving them time and improving their teamwork. All-star component like osmotic connecting to energy field that radiate feed from people. If you are too far away, you won't receive its benefit. You can only to get there if you are close proximity with no barriers as shown below. In other words, in project meeting, we want to get people sitting and working closely together with few barriers between them. And different time zone, different culture, different communication, different native limits. Okay, distributed team. The shared iteration used in agile development fosters continuous close collaboration and coordination. The project will be easier to continue because a releasable product is built each iteration. Storming and knowing are critical for having team build commitment to their decision and result. Therefore, leader or distributed agile team need to ensure that are enough debate and collective decision making early in the project for the team to fully uh, work like this stage. This may okay. One best practice that will help the member to distribute team communicate strategy holding face-to-face kickoff meeting. Okay, work together first for the first on of the iteration. Okay, iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 4. Okay, managing maintaining gini, keep on track. Without tools or for distributed team, video conference, interactive chatbot, electronic witness facility survey application, virtual smart book, digital weekly site, okay, automated testing, as to, okay, tracking team performance, burn chart, okay, burn down chart, burn chart ya, burn down chart, ada burn up chart. Kalau burn down chart tuh kalau measuring the team's progressing completing the project work. Ya, jadi remaining work menurut Hawija ya. I'm remaining, sorry point remaining gitu. Kalau burn down chart ya, dia progress. The burn up chart work that's been completed. Ya, so in completed ya. In the community flow diagram are a sample of CFD, so complete in progress and not started. Okay. Okay, velocity. Again, on consideration, you backlog remaining secondary point. And for your sponsor want to as well how many iteration work be required to complete the backlog maybe 5-50. Can you divide the remaining work 12. Backlog will require 12 more iteration. Complete ya, oke. Oke, kita lanjut ke pertanyaan chapter 4. Oke. Ininya adalah di sini. Oke, adaptive leadership. Agile method use the approach called adaptive leadership in which leadership modify though they interact with team based on the team of level of maturity, state of formation, adaptive leadership. A good project managers should be capable to providing sufficient level of leadership to get the team to a level of self-sufficiency and progressively back out as the team reaches that level. Agile method is approach called adaptive leadership in which leaders modify how they interact with the team's member based on the team's level of maturity, state of formation. We will discuss adaptive leadership next. But before we get to that, we need to examine the process of the team formation and from that is it's based on. The model of team formation will be describing originated by Bruce Tuckman. The four components called forming, storming, norming, and performing. Okay, adjourning and or morning. Since often being missed high promoting is disbanded. Okay, leadership agility ya. Agility ya, adaptive leadership. Okay. Okay, building agile team. Agile method promote using collocated team and creating a collaborative team space. This approach also come with challenge, collocated team space, cave and common, tacit knowledge, osmotic communication, global, cultural, and team diversity. Okay, burden chart is a one. So the collecting project data is a means to seeing how much work is left, how much there is to do it in. It's graphic representation offering a picture with what 1,000 words which might not be able to communicate as clearly. Okay, burn up chart. Burn up chart is work to be complete. Ini second line is time to track work completed, starting at 0 and increasing the rank as more tasks finished. Developing mastery model. Tukman Dreyfus Suhari. Ini yang Tukman. Okay, Tukman model experience as a team develop maturity and ability relationship, establishing and the leader change leadership style, beginning with directing style, moving through coaching, then participating, and finishing with the delegation. And which point they are almost detached. At this point, the team may produce a successor leader and previous leader can move on to develop a new team. Okay. Okay, temannya. Okay. The is adalah skill acquisition ya. Oke, yang mulai dari level paling novice ya, rigid, exercise, directional judgment, baru advanced beginner to limited situational percentage, all aspect treated separately with equal importance, competent, coping with crowdedness, some perception of action is relation to goal, terus juga deliberate planning, formulate, routines, proficient, holistic view, prioritize important of aspect, perceive deviation from normal pattern. Oh, ini proficient ya. Expert, change, reliant on rule, intuitive grades, station, tacit knowledge, high vision of what is possible, systematic approach in new station, just important new normal from new coping with crowdedness, some participation of action in relation to goal, terus deliberate planning, formulate routine. Okay. The skill. So the Stuart Dreyfus with over 5 states, novice, advanced beginner, competent, proficient, and expert. Si mau the commitment ini the Dreyfus Breber and cover similar concept as 3 steps Suhari. 5 steps is a novice to expert. The steps follow a progression rigid adherence to intuitive model based on attached knowledge. Michael Ort summarized the 5 steps of increasing skill of follow novice rigid adherence to rules, no certain discernment judgment, Limited aspect work to treat spread critical trait the importance, competent coping with crowdedness, multiple activities, accumulation of information, some perception of action in relation to goals, deliberate planning, formulate routines. Okay, proficient, holistic view, situation prioritize important of aspect, perceived deviation from the normal pattern, employs maxim for guidance, with meaning that adapt to the situation at hand. Okay, expert, interaction reliant on rules, guideline, and maxim intuitive grasp of situation based on deep, tacit understanding, has vision of what is possible, use analytical approach in new situation or in case of problem. Suharya obey fundamental petition, detach self-innovation, spirit, creative, teknik transcendence. Oke, Suhari. Uh, Halster metodologi auto Aikido. Suhari. Oke, Halster of the analogi Aikido Jepang, Japanese martial, who will learn technique to get better from beginning, novice to journeyman to master the art step of the gaining knowledge. Shu beginning state. In Shu, we repeat the form, discipline ourselves so that our body absorb the form that our forebears created. We remain faithful to these forms with modification. Here we follow the teaching of the master, follow the instruction of rules, as laid out without worrying about why or the theory behind certain things. There is a preference for one option as many options of doing the same thing just create for confusion. The journeyman stage. In Ha, we have disciplined ourselves to acquire the form of movement. We make innovation. This process, the form may be broken and discarded. In Ha, we are building the basic and now understand the theory. When we do this certain thing, we can clearly evaluate different alternatives and decide on which one to take. Re, the master stage. In Re, we completely depart from the forms, open the doors, auto creative technique, and arrive in a place where we act in accordance with what our heart, our mind desires, unhindered, while not overstepping laws. In Re, we are going beyond learning from others, but learning from our own experience and adapting the rules or different circumstances and creating our own approach. When I present this talk at the Moody's Global Scrum Master Gathering, it was I need to go from A to point I'm steady, setting a shoe state. I need direction to follow a preferable guide that can let me show me the way. If you more than one set direction, that's kind too much information. After being a couple of days, I got the lay and then be able to wander and alternative between two roads. That's the high level. Back to the Z, my commute to work is just common nature. I didn't even think about it. I just get the car, drive 25 minutes and at work. I discover alternative road to shortcut my own, my put my rake back on the track. It's the reliable. Osmotic communication is for quality and or distributed team. Osmotic communication means that information flow into background hearing of member. So the team they pick up for the relevant information by osmosis. This is normally accomplished by the effect of the flow of osmotic communication. Physical distance. We are sitting in the same room. Osmotic communication refers to useful information that flow between team members who are working in close proximity to each other as they overhear each other conversation. For example, let's say so not to be safer marriages about this to you machine and overhear their conversation as we can intervene at the start and this potential conflict. The ability to pick up on things which would otherwise to be missed is one of the major benefit of collocating the team, saving them time and improving their team put. Alistair Cockburn, like cosmetic condition to energy field that radiate from people. If you are too far away, you won't each of its benefit. You can only get for the full benefit if you are in close proximity with no barriers as shown below. In other words, to improve their osmotic quality, we want to get people sitting and working closely together with few barriers between them. Okay, global cultural and team diversity. In our communication, options expand and become less expensive. And as our partner and customer base widen, globalization, culture, and team diversity are becoming increasingly important factor for the project team. It's not uncommon to have team member from 3 or 4 continents working on the same project. Although different culture bring challenge, they can also bring more efficiency to a project because there is a broader pool of resources to choose from. Since knowledge work is visible, agile team rely on coordination and communication to share information. However, globally distributed team face special terrains in this area that need to be addressed, different time zone, different culture, different communication style, different native language. Okay, team space. This is their team space or war room, the common area for collaboration and information sharing where they conduct their everyday work. Agile team often commanded a large open area like conference room to serve as their team space. In this area, there should be plenty of wall space for whiteboard to be used during collaboration discussion, as well as room to post information radiator of the project metrics to take full advantage of the benefit of collocation. The team space should also be supplied with the following tools and equipment: whiteboard and dashboard. You can also take paper flip charts, runtable with screen or laptop, video conference capacity, mobility, no virus, no face-to-face communication, food, snack, and toys. Okay, masih gitu kan. Physical or virtual communication. Okay, the rationale, for example, we are studying the use purpose, sticker written, and face-to-face communication is talking about agile tooling and communication. And we'll be talking about the use of digital tools below. However, there are two other elements of agile team space that may be less familiar with entity knowledge. Physical and virtual collocation. Distributed teams are teams that have at least one team member working off-site. Agile recommend that team be collocated, and so far we've been taking about collocated agile teams that they were norm. Smith assert that uh, uh, whether to distribute the agile approach because the following factor: the short iteration is the challenge cost continue coordination. The it will be easier to control because a releasable product is built at iteration. Okay, digital tool for distributed team, video conferencing, live chat Skype, interactive whiteboard, instant messaging, VoIP, headset, present space application, electronic dashboard, web-based survey application, agile management software, virtual cloud softboards, digital camera, wiki, site, automated testing, test tools. Velocity is defined as the measure of team capacity for work per iteration. These powerful metrics allow the teams to gauge how much work they will be able to do in the future iterations. Based on the amount of work they completed in past iteration, this provides a way to track and committed they have accomplished, anticipate what they will be able to accomplish in the future, and forecast when the project or release is likely to be done. Here an example tracking a team's velocity across iteration. Okay, team motivation. Effort to motivate out of the range we can approach motivate in term. So if the entire team or style them in the rough, in other if the team individual motivated are personal and have alignment toward the project goal, then the overall team factor, these different directions and speed is likely to be small and not well directed towards the project goal as well as shown below. Okay, member motivation are aligned toward the project goal. Okay, training, coaching, and mentoring. Training is the teaching of a skill, knowledge, direction. The agenda is usually by a trainer for its very structure. An example of training would be attending one-day course or job planning technique. Coaching is facilitated process that help the person being coached to develop and improve their performance. Coaching often starts with an initial topic that is then expanded and developed in collaboration with the coach. Coaching sessions are usually okay gini schedule. The structures example we have mentoring is more a professional relationship than a specific activity. The mentor can be sounding board to taking instances as that basis the mentor on the agenda and forward is free flowing. An example of mentoring would be having a relationship with expression angel who you meet with from time to time bounce idea of and ask for advice. Lisa Atkins, one-to-one coaching is with the half team ahead, create guarantee safety, guarantee with manager, create a positive figure. Tools and technique, adaptive leadership, burn up, burn down, osmotic communication, team speciality, knowledge and skill, building agile team, develop mastery model, Tukman Refu Suhari, global culture and team diversity, physical and virtual communication, and team motivation, training, coaching, and mentoring. Oke, dengan demikian berakhir sudah kita pembahasan terkait domain 4. Terima kasih.